Hello there everyone, I'm Lydia from Altenew and I'm just popping in to let you know a little bit more about our Crafters Essential Cutting and Alignment Mat. So as you can see, we have such a large surface here. That means that you're going to have lots of room to create your projects in your work area. It's going to protect your work surface as well from all of your rotary tools or craft knives or even ink sprays as well. So it does have two sides. We have a black side here which has the inches in it. You can see that we also have some guidelines here for an A2 card and also 12 by 12 layout. So that's the black side. Also, we do have a grey side as well. So on this one, this is where the centimeters are. So if you work in centimeters or inches, this mat is going to be great for you.
Hello crafters, Jen here. For more tips, techniques, tutorials, and to discover which paper crafting products are right for you, subscribe to Altenew's YouTube channel. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching.